Welcome here, guys. So I'm glad to have you guys here. So before we go into today's video, I want you guys to do me your normal favor, like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to this channel. So you guys, the video we're about to watch now is about some ladies. They ask them what kind of profession can't you marry from? No, one mentioned plumber, policeman, and another one mentioned banker, another one mentioned something else. So you guys watch the video and subscribe to this channel, like the video and comment on this video.
I cannot marry a plumber.
You say wetin?
A plumber.
Plumber.
Yes, now.
Oh, you come, oh. Gele was select wife now.
Hey, what is one occupation you can marry from?
Forex traders. I be forex trader. I don't know what they call it.
Why? They're making so much money. Oh.
It's not about the money that I make. All of them are under the guise of fraud. They are all thieves. This forex of a thing. They just gather people and be teaching them electron and collecting their money. It's a scam.
Scam.
Thieves. That's what they are. They are criminals.
Okay.
Yes.
That is massive, oh, in fact.
It's the truth.
So they're all thieves and criminals, Yahoo boys.
They're not hiding. They just say I'm doing forex. They don't even know what is forex. They don't even know sex.
Yes, that is massive. Yes. Which occupation can't you marry from?
Police. I don't like policemen. Maybe because my daddy is a policeman and I don't like the way the things are going with him. So, yes, I cannot marry a policeman.
You cannot even marry your father if Jesus.
No, I cannot marry somebody like my father. Yes.
Jesus.
I cannot.
Hey, also, which occupation can't you marry from?
I think nurse.
You cannot marry nursing girl.
No,
Why?
Yeah, it's not too many for that.
Slut.
Yes, now.
Ashawo.
Yes, now it's verified and everybody knows.
Hook up.
The most corrupt this thing occupation.
So nurses are spoiled.
Very, very special.
I like that. Oh. Hey, also, which occupation can't you marry from?
A banker.
Why? I think oh, people.
Eight to 5 finish money, no carry money.
But you need to pay them well, oh.
The video is very, very funny, do you know? And I'll analyze them, each of the people there that spoke. The first lady said you can't marry a man that's into plumbing. There's nothing wrong about plumbing. Plumbing is a very, very good job. It's profitable. In fact, outside Nigeria, in developed countries, they pay plumbers handwork people generally. They pay them very well. So I don't really see a point why she can't marry a plumber. Maybe because she feels plumbers are broke, they are not rich. Then the next lady, she mentioned policeman. In fact, that one, I can understand her point, which doesn't want to marry a policeman. We all know how corrupt a lot of policemen are. We know how corrupt they are. They bribe. They collect bribe. They disturb Nigerians. They abuse power. They can be very, very irresponsible. So I get that point. Then there was a guy that was there. That guy said that cannot marry a nurse. For me, I've actually had so many people say that say nurses are very, very wayward. They are very, very sexually wayward. Like they sleep with the doctors, or other people on duty, their male nurses, and their patients too sometimes. So, what do you guys think about marrying nurses? If you're a man, what do you think about nurses? Can you marry a nurse, or you cannot marry a nurse? And if you cannot marry a nurse, what's your reason or reasons for not wanting to marry a nurse? Then one lady there, she mentioned banker. She even said that they are banker, they don't have money. Why must you always be about money? Can't you have your own money? Why are women so fixated about men's money? They are always, I cannot marry this kind of lady, a banker. There are bankers that are doing very well. Many of them, they even have side hustles that they do. So that lady, I don't even see any sense in what she says. That's my own opinion. Then the last lady, she said that she cannot marry guys into forex, crypto. And in fact, I understand that point, because many of these guys into crypto, forex, many of them low key, they are fraudsters, they are scammers. We all know many of them are into fraud, into all manner of these things. So I'm not even surprised. So hey guys, but I'll give you as a man to my fellow men and his women. When you want to marry, make sure you marry for the right reasons. My character, not beauty or any other thing. I did a video, I think sometimes last week or last week's. Check this thing. You see there. This video titled "Marry Character, Not Beauty." So you guys, we have come to the end of the video, and I appreciate you guys for coming today. But before you guys go, comment on this video, like this video, subscribe to this channel. Salute.